Hello friends, this video on fractions part 19 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So based on the addition and subtraction of fractions, we will solve a few questions. Question number 1. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? So Sarita bought 2/5 and Lalita bought 3/4. So total how much did they buy? So total would be 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Now these are unlike fractions. So what would you do? You will take LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 5 and 4 would be 20. So now we convert each of these fractions into an equivalent fraction such that the denominator is 20. So for that you need to multiply 5 into 4. So the numerator also gets multiplied by 4. So you get 8 by 20. Similarly, for 3 by 4 also, you need to convert it into a form with denominator 20. For that, you multiply it by 5. So, numerator also by 5. So, you get 15 by 20. Therefore, 2 by 5 can be written as 8 by 20. 3 by 4 can be written as 15 by 20. So, this becomes 8 plus 15 divided by 20, which is equal to 23 by 20. So, the total length of the ribbon would be 23 by 20 meters. Question number 2. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? So let us say this is the total length of the wire which broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4, the other piece we don't know. So let's say that the other piece was x. So this basically means that x plus 1 by 4, that is these two pieces together, gives 7 by 8, that is the length of the wire, right? So therefore x would be 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So from the total you subtract the first piece. So whatever will be left would be the second piece. So now you have to subtract these two. So again we will do the same thing. In this case these are unlike fractions. So let us find out LCM of 8 and 4. So LCM of 8 and 4 would be 8. So for 7 by 8 it is in the form where the denominator is 8. So it is fine. Let's convert 1 by 4 into a form such that the denominator is 8. So for that we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So you get 2 by 8. So 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 can be written as 2 by 8. So this becomes 7 minus 2 by 8, that is 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 meter would be the length of the other piece. Question number 3. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with books. Okay, both of them have bookshelves. Asha's shelf is 5/6 full. So it is 5/6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full? By what fraction? Which is more? You have to decide whether 5 by 6 is more or 2 by 5 is more. Again, since they are unlike fractions, first we will have to convert them into equivalent fractions which are like fractions. So LCM of 6 and 5 would be 30. So 5 by 6 to be converted into a form where denominator is 30. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So it becomes 25 by 30. So we do the same thing with 2 by 5. You have to convert it into a form with denominator 30. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So you get 12 by 30. So now if you compare, you see that 25 by 30 is greater than 12 by 30. So 25 by 30 is nothing but it is same as 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 5. So whose shelf was 5/6 full? Asha's shelf. So therefore we can say that Asha's shelf is more full. And by what fraction? So by what fraction her shelf is more full? So for that we will have to subtract the 2. That is 5 by 6 minus 2 by 5. Now 5 by 6 is equivalent to 25 by 30. So we can write it as 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30. So this would be 25 minus 12 by 30, which is equal to 13 by 30. So Asha's shelf is more full and it is more full by 13 by 30. Question number 4. Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So that means there was one complete basket of oranges. So that full basket of oranges is basically how much fraction? It is nothing but 1. 1 means one full basket. So out of this full basket, how much was given to Javed? 5/7. So how much is left? 1 minus 5 by 7. So in this case, 1 has the denominator also 1. So therefore LCM of 1 and 7 would be 7. So this 1 by 1 to be converted into a form such that you get denominator as 7. So for that you multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. So you write it as 7 by 7. So therefore 1 by 1 can be written as 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. So this becomes 7 minus 5 by 7, which is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore 2 by 7 fraction of the oranges was left in the basket. Question number 5. Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. So how much Shubham painted? He painted 2/3 of the wall. And how much did Madhavi paint? She painted 1/3 of the wall. How much did they paint together? So together they did 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now these are like fractions. So how do you add like fractions? Just add the numerators and retain the denominator. So this is 3 by 3, so which is equal to 1. So 3 by 3 in its simplest form is nothing but 1, right? So therefore, we can say that they together painted the whole wall. 1 means, one fraction means the complete thing. So the complete wall was painted by Shubham and Madhavi together. So with this, we have reached towards the end of this lesson on fractions, and I hope that this lesson would have helped you. So focus on the concept, solve more questions for better understanding. See you all in the next lesson.
Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.